Hello dear smart students. Determinism or environmental determinism. Determinism is one of the most important philosophies which continued in one form or other form till World War II. Philosophy of determinism is based upon the interaction between primitive human society and strong forces of nature. It says that the strong forces of environment control the human action. This implies that the history, culture, mode of life, and the level of development of the societal groups and countries are exclusively or largely controlled by the physical environment. Environmental determinism views human achievement as determined by the natural environment, incorporating location along with geophysical and biophysical features. Concept and term. The terms environmentalism and determinism have been used as synonymous with the simple definition that the natural environment is responsible for all human actions. The doctrine that human activities are controlled by the environment. Environmental determinism is the study of how the physical environment predisposes societies and states towards particular development trajectories. According to determinism, man is a passive agent and nature is a active agent which control and determines the action and decision making process of a man. In short, the determinists believe that most human activities can be explained as a response to the natural environment. In the words of scientist Platt, determinism refers to the idea that everything in a human life is caused inevitably by previous events or conditions. Determinists generally consider human as a passive agent on whom physical factors are working continuously and thus determines their approach and decision making process. Characteristics of determinism. It is important term of geography. Physical environment is active and human is a passive agent. Human activities are controlled by the environment. Emphasis on the importance of a physical environment. People are largely conditioned by the environment. Example of environmental determinism. The men who settle in plain areas are developed, but who settle in mountain areas are undeveloped and tribal. The climate influences the psychological mindset of individuals, which in turn then defines the behavior and therefore also the culture of the society that those individuals form. Tropical climates were said to cause laziness, related attitudes, and promiscuity, while the frequent variability in the weather of the middle latitudes led to more determined and driven work ethics. Popular determinist. Ancient Greek and Roman scientists Hippocrates, Aristotle, Al-Biruni, Al-Masudi, Al-Idrisi, Ibn Battuta, Ibn Hackal, Ibn Khaldun, Karl Ritter, Kant, Charles Darwin, Frederick Ratzel, Haeckel, Lepley, Miss Ellen Sample, Huntington. Criticism. Determinism criticized by many geographers criticized mainly human activities are controlled by environment. Mainly Burroughs, Sowell, Taylor criticized determinism. According to Taylor, nature is no more than an advisor. This video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you dear smart students.